Winter driving presents a unique set of challenges that can test even the most experienced drivers. From icy roads and reduced visibility to the increased strain on vehicle components, the coldest months demand a heightened level of preparation and vigilance. Each year, thousands of accidents and breakdowns are attributed to winter weather conditions, underscoring the importance of both safe driving techniques and meticulous vehicle maintenance. This comprehensive guide synthesizes expert advice, official recommendations, and real-world best practices to equip you with over 20 detailed tips for navigating winter roads safely and keeping your vehicle in optimal condition. The guide is organized into two main categories: driving techniques and vehicle maintenance, with each tip thoroughly explained and supported by authoritative sources. 1. Reduce speed and drive smoothly. Winter road surfaces, whether covered in snow, ice, or slush, offer significantly less traction than dry pavement. The most fundamental safety tip is to reduce your speed well below posted limits and drive smoothly, avoiding abrupt inputs. Sudden acceleration, braking, or steering can easily lead to a loss of control. Even with advanced safety features like anti-lock brakes, ABS, and traction control, physics dictates that stopping distances and the risk of skidding increase dramatically on slick surfaces. Key points: lower your speed to match road conditions, not just speed limits. Accelerate and decelerate gradually. Avoid sharp turns or sudden lane changes. Reducing speed is not just about obeying the law, it is about giving yourself more time to react to hazards and minimizing the likelihood of skidding. Smooth driving inputs help maintain tire grip, which is already compromised in winter. This is especially critical on bridges, overpasses, and shaded areas, which freeze first and thaw last. 2. Increase following distance. Stopping distances can be up to 10 times longer on icy roads compared to dry conditions. Experts recommend increasing your following distance to at least 6 to 10 seconds behind the vehicle in front, rather than the usual 2 to 3 seconds. Key points: use fixed roadside markers to gauge your following distance. The greater the speed or the worse the conditions, the more space you need. This buffer allows for safe stopping if the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly. Maintaining a generous following distance is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent rear-end collisions in winter. It compensates for the reduced effectiveness of your brakes and tires on slippery surfaces. 3. Master proper braking techniques, ABS and non-ABS. Understanding how to brake on ice and snow is crucial. If your vehicle is equipped with ABS, anti-lock braking system, apply firm, continuous pressure to the brake pedal. The system will pulse the brakes automatically to prevent wheel lockup, allowing you to steer while braking. For vehicles without ABS, use the threshold braking technique. Apply steady, moderate pressure to the brake pedal. If the wheels begin to lock, ease off slightly to regain traction. Never pump the brakes if you have ABS. Let the system work. Key points: practice braking in a safe, open area to get a feel for your vehicle's response. Expect the brake pedal to vibrate or pulse when ABS is active. This is normal. ABS is a valuable safety feature, but it does not reduce stopping distances on ice. It simply allows you to maintain steering control. For non-ABS vehicles, threshold braking maximizes deceleration without losing control. Both techniques require practice and calmness under pressure. 4. Learn skid recovery and handling techniques. Skids are a real risk in winter. Knowing how to recover from both front wheel, understeer, and rear wheel, oversteer skids can prevent accidents. Front wheel skid, understeer. Ease off the accelerator and gently steer in the direction you want to go. Avoid braking until traction is regained. Rear wheel skid, oversteer. Steer gently in the direction the rear of your car is sliding. Ease off the accelerator and avoid braking abruptly. General tips: stay calm and avoid overcorrecting. Focus on a distant visual target to help guide your recovery. Skid recovery is about regaining traction, not fighting the skid. Overreacting can worsen the situation. Practicing these maneuvers in a controlled environment, such as an empty parking lot, is highly recommended. 5. Handle hills, curves, and bridges with care. Uphill. Approach hills with a steady, moderate speed. Use a higher gear to reduce wheel spin. Avoid stopping or changing gears while climbing. Downhill. Slow down before the descent. Use a lower gear to leverage engine braking. Apply brakes gently and progressively. Avoid sudden braking. Curves. Reduce speed before entering a curve. Avoid braking while turning. Brake before the curve and accelerate gently out of it. Bridges and overpasses. Approach with extra caution as these surfaces freeze before the rest of the road. Gravity and momentum can quickly overwhelm your tire's grip on hills and curves. Using engine braking and gentle inputs helps maintain control. Bridges and overpasses are notorious for black ice and should always be treated with suspicion. 6. Watch for black ice and hazardous surfaces. Black ice is a nearly invisible, thin layer of ice that forms on roads, especially in shaded areas, bridges, and overpasses. It is most common in the early morning and late evening. Tips: be alert for glossy, wet-looking patches that do not spray water when driven over. If you hit black ice, do not panic. Ease off the accelerator, keep the steering wheel straight, and avoid braking. Black ice is dangerous because it is hard to detect until you are on it. Staying calm and avoiding sudden movements is the best way to maintain control. 7. Use proper lighting and visibility enhancements. Headlights. Use low beams in snow, fog, or heavy rain. High beams can reflect off precipitation and reduce visibility. Ensure all exterior lights are clean and functional. Fog lights. Use fog lights only when visibility drops below 100 meters, about the length of a football field. Turn them off when visibility improves to avoid dazzling other drivers. Good visibility is essential for safe winter driving. Proper use of lighting not only helps you see, but also ensures you are seen by others. Clean lights regularly, as road grime and salt can quickly obscure them. 8. Clear all snow and ice from your vehicle. Before driving, completely clear snow and ice from all windows, mirrors, lights, and the roof. Snow left on the roof can slide forward onto the windshield or blow off and endanger other drivers. Tools. Use a snow brush and ice scraper for thorough cleaning. Avoid using hot water, which can crack glass. Partial clearing is both unsafe and illegal in many jurisdictions. Full visibility is non-negotiable for safe driving. 9. Avoid cruise control on slippery roads. Do not use cruise control on snow, ice, or wet roads. If your vehicle loses traction, cruise control can cause sudden acceleration or deceleration, making it harder to regain control. Manual control allows you to respond instantly to changing road conditions, which is critical in winter. 10. Plan ahead. Monitor weather and route conditions. Check weather forecasts and road conditions before setting out. If severe weather is predicted, consider postponing non-essential travel. Tips: use weather apps and GPS for real-time updates. Inform someone of your route and estimated arrival time. Preparation is key to avoiding dangerous situations. Knowing what to expect allows you to plan safer routes and avoid unnecessary risks. 11. Prepare for emergencies. Carry a winter survival kit. A well-stocked emergency kit can be a lifesaver if you become stranded. Essential items include blankets or sleeping bags, flashlight and extra batteries, first aid kit, non-perishable snacks and water, ice scraper and snow brush, jumper cables, shovel, traction aids, sand, kitty litter, traction mats, reflective triangles or flares, mobile phone charger. Being prepared for the unexpected can make a significant difference in your safety and comfort during winter emergencies. 12. Stay in your vehicle if stranded. If you become stranded, stay with your vehicle unless you are certain you can reach help safely. Your car provides shelter and is easier for rescuers to locate. Tips: run the engine periodically for warmth, but ensure the exhaust pipe is clear of snow to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Display a bright marker on your antenna or window. Leaving your vehicle in severe weather can be dangerous. Staying put increases your chances of being found and surviving until help arrives. 13. Practice defensive and attentive driving. Winter conditions demand heightened attention. Avoid distractions such as mobile phones and remain alert for the unpredictable actions of other drivers. Defensive driving is always important, but in winter it can be the difference between a close call and a collision. 14. Use traction aids when stuck. If you become stuck in the snow or ice, use traction aids such as sand, kitty litter, or commercial traction mats under the drive wheels to help regain grip. Tips. Straighten the steering wheel and clear snow from around the tires. Avoid spinning the wheels, which can dig you in deeper. Traction aids are simple, effective tools for getting unstuck without damaging your vehicle or the environment. 15. Know when to turn off traction control. In deep snow, some vehicles' traction control systems may reduce power to the wheels, making it harder to get moving. Temporarily disabling traction control can help you rock the vehicle free, but remember to re-enable it once you are moving. Understanding your vehicle's systems and when to override them can be crucial in specific situations. Vehicle maintenance. Preparing your car for winter. 16. Install winter tires or ensure adequate tread. Winter tires are specifically designed for cold temperatures and provide superior traction on snow and ice compared to all-season tires. If you live in an area with frequent snow or ice, switching to winter tires is highly recommended. Key points. Winter tires remain flexible at low temperatures and have deeper, more aggressive tread patterns. All-season tires may suffice in milder climates, but must have at least 3 millimeters, 430 seconds of tread for winter use. Check tire pressure regularly. It drops with temperature, about 1 pound per square inch for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit decrease. Tires are your only contact with the road. The right tires, properly inflated and with sufficient tread, are foundational to winter safety. 17. Check and maintain your battery. Cold weather reduces battery capacity and increases the power needed to start your engine. Batteries more than 3 years old should be tested before winter. Tips. Clean terminals and ensure tight connections. Replace batteries showing signs of weakness or corrosion. Consider a battery blanket or maintainer for extreme cold or infrequently used vehicles. A weak battery is the leading cause of winter breakdowns. Proactive maintenance can prevent inconvenient and potentially dangerous situations. 18. Monitor and top up all fluids. Engine oil, use winter-grade oil, lower viscosity, e.g., 5W30 or 0W20, for better cold start performance. Coolant, botch antifreeze. Ensure a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and water for protection down to at least minus 34 degrees Celsius, minus 29 degrees Fahrenheit. Check for leaks and replace coolant as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. Windshield washer. Fluid. Use winter-specific fluid rated for sub-zero temperatures to prevent freezing in the reservoir and on the windshield. Brake and transmission fluids. Check levels and condition. Replace if contaminated or due for service. Fluids are the lifeblood of your vehicle. Using the correct types and maintaining proper levels ensures reliable operation and prevents costly damage. 19. Inspect and replace wiper blades. Wiper blades should be replaced at least annually or sooner if they streak or missy spots. Consider winter-specific blades designed to resist ice buildup. Tips. Keep the windshield and wipers free of ice before use. Use a windshield cover or park facing east to take advantage of morning sun. Clear visibility is essential. Worn or frozen wipers can render even the best washer fluid useless. 20. Ensure all lights are clean and functional. Shorter days and frequent precipitation make lighting critical in winter. Check headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals regularly. Tips. Clean lenses often to remove salt and grime. Replace dim or burned out bulbs immediately. Being seen is as important as seeing. Functional clean lights are a basic but vital safety measure. 21st, test heating, defrosting, and cabin comfort systems. A functioning heater and defroster are essential for comfort and visibility. Check that the system blows hot air and that airflow reaches the windshield and windows. Tips: replace cabin air filters as needed. Address any unusual smells or weak airflow promptly. A fogged or frosted windshield is a major hazard. Proper heating and defrosting ensure you can see and stay comfortable. And there you have it, 21 essential tips to keep you and your car safe, comfortable, and ready for anything winter throws your way. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Check your tires, top up your fluids, pack that emergency kit, and drive smart. Whether you're braving the streets of Minneapolis, the snowy highways of Michigan, or anywhere else winter bites, these tips will help you stay confident and in control. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drivers, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world car advice. Got your own winter driving tip or a story to share? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay safe, stay warm, and happy driving.